Okay, let's take the quiz for AccuWebinar Part 6. Which quality is considered yin?
When it's cold.
Yes. Which quality is considered yang?
Light.
Yin and yang are primarily characterized by
Hypothesis and interdependence. Intervene.
parang imbalance.
Nagkaka-hard efficiency tayo.
Other fluids are classified as
Fluid skin.
functional activity in the body is considered
Yang.
huh?
Yang.
Yang. Excessive
Galaw.
activity tends to consume.
Yin fluid.
Okay, so kung grabe yung trabaho mo, nakalimutan mo na natao ka lang, will have yin deficiency, no? Tapos, nag-evolve siya into dampness, phlegm, cancer, even. Which season is most yang in nature?
Summer.
Summer. Sleep primarily restores what?
Yin.
Okay. Mutual transformation means
Ritual. Yin can transform into yang and vice versa.
okay, may transform eh. The upper body is generally considered
Upper yang.
which organ manifests in the face?
Face heart.
Which organ manifests in the nails?
Nails. Liver.
Liver. The kidneys nourish the
Bones.
spleen opens into
Mouth
Mouth
and
and lips.
mouth and lips. Which emotion is associated with the liver?
Anger.
Which organ governs chi and respiration?
Yang.
SI4 is the
Yuan source point.
yuan source point. Okay. Which organ houses the shen?
Heart.
Which organ is associated with pensiveness, worry?
Boring. Spleen.
Tinnitus is commonly associated with deficiency of
Kidney.
which organ opens into the ears?
Kidney.
The lung manifests in the
Skin and body hair.
skin and body hair. Which organ governs TNT?
Spleen.
A red tongue tip often reflects imbalance in
Heart.
which organ stores zinc?
Kidney.
Kidney.
SI3 is the confluent point of the
Dumai.
Dongmai. SI4 is the
Yuan source point.
Source point.
SI6 is
Eclair.
left, yeah. SI7 is
No connecting point.
SI8 is the Hosi point and belongs to which element?
Earth.
Earth.
Which SI point is important for neck and spine disorder?
SI3.
SI9
Neck and spine.
commonly wait.
SI19. Ear disorder, doc.
Ear disorders. SI11 is a major local point for
Scapula tension.
yes. SI1 is commonly used to
Food lactation.
Promote lactation.
lactation. SI5 is the
Far point.
Fire point.
fire point. SI6 commonly benefits the
Eyes.
okay. Saan yung maingay? Diyan pala sa inyo. Okay. SI17 is used for
17.
Tonsillitis.
Yeah, kasi nasa throat siya. SI-18
Facial paralysis.
or paralysis.
Yes.
SI-3 plus bladder 62 to activate the
Dumay.
Lumay.
one. SI-11 benefits the
Breast and chest.
yeah. Tongue is primarily composed of
Ang skeletal muscle.
skeletal muscle. Which papillae are most numerous?
Pili.
Diba?
Filiform. Which papillae
Filiform.
contain many taste buds?
Pili.
Circumvallate. Circumvallate.
Circumvallate. Siyang taste bud.
Circum.
The terminal sulcus separates the
Anterior,
Anterior, 2/3,
and
and
posterior,
posterior.
1/3.
foramen cecum is associated with embryologic descent of the
Thyroid.
which muscle protrudes the tongue?
Susud. Geniolod.
Genioglossus.
Genioglosssus.
Most tongue muscles are innervated by
CN7.
Cranial
Ito na
nerve
12.
7. Cranial nerve 7.
CN12.
Ay, 12.
12.
Cranial nerve 12.
Okay. Taste
Ang
to
Twelve.
two-thirds of the tongue is carried by
third, no?
For
Chondra
the tympani.
chorda tympani. Which papillae provide friction for food movement?
Filiform.
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 Ankyloglossia. Glossia is tongue. Refers
Ay,
to
yes. Ankyloglossia. Tangti. Tangti.
tongue-tie.
Ay. Naloka.
Tongue-tie. Hindi mo kasalita.
Tangti.
Superficial pulse level is felt with
Facial to very light pressure.
very light pressure. Deep pulse level reflects primarily what?
And interior
Inner
condition.
conditions. The middle pulse level is associated with
Stomach.
Stomach.
very good. A floating pulse commonly indicates
Exterior syndrome.
a deep weak pulse may indicate
PD deficiency.
in classical interpretation, superficial corresponds to
Young.
a deep pulse is often felt near the
Bones.
Bone.
which organs are associated with the superficial level according to Lee Sheetson.
Heart and lung.
Yes, heart and lung. The middle level reflects the quality of
Blood.
Blood.
blood. A healthy pulse is usually strongest where?
In the middle level.
Okay, yung sa iyo, Sir Mark, nasaan strong?
Baka siya, doktor.
Mukhang
Parang nasa deep na ata ako. Exterior na po pa.
the cranium protects the what?
Brain.
Which bone forms? Ganyan ang term ng mga medyo may pinag-aralan ha, cranium. Okay? Pag wala kang, okay, kung hindi ka member, which bone is the forehead?
Frontal.
Yes. The sagittal suture lies between
Two
parietal
parietal bones.
two parietal bones. The junction of the coronal and sagittal sutures is
Pregna.
bregma. The mastoid process is located near.
In the ear.
Here.
Alam mo, hiluti-luti nyo yan, nagli-lift yung muka, as in.
Yes,
Yes, no.
it's true.
Yes,
I
really
always do
perfect.
this.
Yan na rin
Nice
gawin
stroke.
ni Risen.
Stroke, Doc, effective yan. Saka sa
Sobrang effective.
Oh yes.
Saka
Anong point?
mafe-feel mo talagang it's lifting. Ang galing.
So ganun-ganunin mo. Yan na stimulate mo ha, kaysa iba yung stimulate mo, Sir Mark. Oo. Anong point yan? Yung anong SI point yan? Go.
SI7.
Anong SI7?
Oh.
SI.
Naku, wrong.
17.
Wait lang ah.
It's 17.
SI
17?
17.
17?
17. O, tama
Mga
ako.
17. Tama,
Kasi
17.
Madam Wilma, talagang hahanapin niya na saan si SI 17. Mamaya,
Tama.
magana lang yun sa kahihilot.
Dinali na yung Xerox to. 17 pala yun.
Ay, oo. Tinry mo na ba igwasya-gwasya yung SI 17, Ma'am Trix?
Yes, always.
Ay, nakita niyo ba yung mukha ni Ma'am?
I always press it.
Ang liit-liit na mukha niya.
Uy,
Ay,
hindi.
yeah, that will be my mannerism from now on.
Oo, di ba? Pampalift,
Oh.
pampaganda.
O, tingnan mo si Sir Jobel, hinahanap pa yung SI 17. Okay. Which mnemonic describes... Ay, ano bang question to? Ganito na lang. Anong ibig sabihin ng SCALP? The scalp. Sige nga. Sir Jobel, what do these letters stand for? Naku, wala na. Ay, ano yan? Okay, Ma'am Trix, help out. S is kin. C is...
And
Oy, Sir Mark, ano yung C sa scalp?
Kaya mo, ano ba yan? Part 2 ba?
Cranial. Cranial.
Ha?
Ano yan?
Cranium? Ano naging cranium? Ang A, ano?
Acronym.
in connective tissue.
Ang A, aponeurosis.
Aponeurosis.
Ano?
Tapos L is loose connective tissue. And then
Tama.
P,
P is pericranium.
very good. Ano nga ang C ulit?
C is connective tissue.
Okay. Wow, yan po ang scalp. Okay? Needles in scalp acupuncture are usually inserted at what angle?
15 to 30. C.
30 degrees.
15 to 30.
Jimmy
15 to 30 lang, no?
near the
Vertex.
vertex. The lambdoid suture lies between. Ay, by the... What is the exact location of Do20? Google, dali.
U20 is
How many two
Diba?
from the...
7.
Ano
I
ba?
would, yeah, 7 soon.
Saan ang galing? 7 tune mo.
From the forehead.
Which part of the forehead?
Tama ba ako?
Ang lawak kayo ng forehead. Yung iba nga dyan, ang lapad eh.
Sana de, ano, natin,
Above the eyebrow.
Ha?
sa akin yung ano yung sa, yung 220,
Oh, let's ask
Yung-
Ma'am
Pero,
Wilma.
kasi,
Where
yung
did-
220 meron siyang parang depression. Pag hinawakan mo siya.
No, you
May-
have
pag sa
eyes. What is it?
Midline, doc.
Midline saan?
No, from
5
the,
chon posterior to the midpoint
from
of the
ear.
anterior hairline.
From the
7 chon directly above the midpoint of the posterior hairline, or directly above the apex of the auricles on the midline of head.
7 tune. 7 tune sa posterior hairline, sa likod ng hairline. Tapos sa
Ano yung
tuktok ng
posterior
ano.
hairline?
Posterior is sa harap. Sa likod.
Sa likod ng hairline, posterior.
Eh, anong basahan mo sa nasaan yung posterior hairline? Nasaan si
Ano
May nape.
Hindi ba? Batok? Kasi may ano?
So, sa may
batok.
nape. Neck. Oh, nape.
Name?
Nape.
Hindi sa taas. Hindi, sa likod ng hairline.
Sige, let's ask you, Mark. How do you locate Do20? Sinabi kasi near the vertex eh. And vertex is the highest point, diba? Pero sinabi ang problema, how near?
Sa akin ba matatagpuan sa gitna ng linya ng ulo? Kung higit kumulang 5 kon
Tusok
sa
nyo
likod.
yan. Paano nyo tinutusok? Hinawakan niyo yung tenga.
Parang McDonald's. Yung dalawang kamay. Si McDonald's.
Sukat yan ng dalawang kamay.
Your
Can
apex
you
eh.
read from your notes? Where is the location of GV20? Di ba may mga cellphone?
Top of the head.
No, be precise. Okay, let's ask Miss San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Ano nga pinagagawa niyo?
Point five soon. Directly out the point of the anterior hairline.
Sa ano yan eh.
Ay, ang tagal.
Tinitok-tok ng tenga hanggang
To
sa
the
kabilang
midpoint
tenga.
of the anterior hairline.
Midpoint ng ano?
Of the anterior hairline and 7 points tuned directly above the midpoint of the posterior hairline.
7 tune. So saan na galing yung 5 tune?
Mula sa
Posterior to the
Posterior.
midpoint of the anterior hairline.
Or tapos
Are you reciting from a source?
Yes. At the vertex of the head, 5 soon posterior to the midpoint of the anterior hairline, and 7 soon directly above the midpoint of the posterior hairline.
Okay, so 5 and 7. Okay,
And
so yung 5 soon,
this
that's behind the front part, right? Eh, ang tanong,
No.
saan doon? Okay, remember where the intang is?
the what though?
The intang, the glabella.
Glabella.
Glabella
In
mula sa fortune 5.
Okay, but from the glabella, from the yintang, how would you know kung nagre-recede na yung hairline mo? Ano ba location ng anterior hairline? Because that is actually where you count your 5.
Di ba 3 soon ang forehead?
Okay, that's 4
3 soon.
fingers. So 3 tune, and then that means you
And
have
then
to
the
count
hair.
another 5 tune, right?
Yes.
3, 5,
Para ma-locate mo si do 20.
20.
So from do 20 going back, going to the behind would be, sabi ni Sir Joe Bell, 7 tune. Am I right?
Directly above the posterior hair.
Okay, nandun yung posterior hairline mo.
Okay.
From do 20 would be your posterior hairline. Or, yeah. Sabi ni, yun ba yun? Tama ba yun, Sir Joe Bell? The do 20
posterior.
to be located 7 tune above your posterior hairline.
Yes.
But my question is, where is the posterior hairline? Alam na natin si anterior hairline, right? Anterior hairline is 3 tune above your yintang, right? Or your glabella.
Yes po.
Okay. Measure nyo na yung inyong mga hairline.
Ang skull. I-measure.
Hindi, anterior hairline. Pag medyo nag-recede na, tama ba yun?
More than, pag nag-recede na more than 3 soon na yun.
Oo. So, bakit
Kasi Doc, iba-iba naman yung sukat ng pandok.
Bakit
Yung
iba-iba?
point.
Ang gagamitin mong pangsukat yung daliri.
Yung
O
finger.
daliri ng pasyente.
Daliri na pasyente ito.
Susukatin yung using your daliri. Using their daliri. Diba? Okay. Napatigil yung iba. Any comment? Okay. So that's vertex. Next, 69. The lambdoid suture lies between the parietal and
occipital bone.
And
Occipital bone.
occipital bone. The temporal region requires caution. Why?
It's thin and vascular.
Yeah, so ingat-ingat ng pag-needle dyan. Okay? Especially when you needle
Masakit siya.
auditory area. No? The European auricular system was developed largely by
Doge.
The helix is associated primarily with the
Musculoskeletal system.
musculoskeletal system. The antihelix corresponds mainly to the
Vertebral column.
scapha is associated with
Upper
Upper
extremity.
extremity.
Upper
glandular
extremities.
fossa is associated with
Reproductive
Thoracic system.
concha,
Concha. Internal organ.
internal organs, tragus or tragus,
Nervous. Nose and throat.
The
antitragus,
brain.
Anti-tract brain and neurological
Brain and
regulation.
regulation.
earlobe,
Head and
Head
facial
and
structure.
facial structure.
auriculotherapy maps the body as an
Inverted fetus.
inverted fetus.
Tama.
In the inverted fetus concept, the spine corresponds to
Antihelix. Antihelix.
the external auditory meatus, a strong influence through the
Vagus nerve.
ay nako, tusukan nyo talaga to. Nag-relax yung pasyente.
Effective yan, Dok, sa mga paralyzed.
Yeah, vagus. Tender or reactive auricular points may indicate
Pathological body reaction.
the European system emphasizes
Neurophysiology.
Physiology.
the cavum conchae corresponds mainly to
Sabum.
Thoracic.
Organ.
thoracic organs. And what are these thoracic organs? What are
Lumbar.
your what?
No.
What are your
The-
thoracic organs? The organs located sa thorax. Sa
Sa
chest.
thorax. Yan yung T1, T2, T12.
Hindi, yung organs. Organ ba yan? Kung alam yung nasaan yung cavum conchae, you would know the answer. Thoracic organs. Ano ba yung mga organs?
Heart, lungs.
Heart and
Heart, lungs.
Heart and lungs.
heart and
Heart,
lungs.
lungs.
Lung.
Heart disease is commonly associated with
Arterial.
obstruction. Guasha aims to promote circulation of
Chi and
blood.
REN17 is commonly used to support the
chest.
Chest region.
Region.
bladder 15 is Bakshu point of
Heart.
Heart.
which point is the influential point for blood.
Bladder
17.
17.
Ano bladder 15?
Bladder
17.
17.
Wala ang 15 dyan. Thick stabbing chest pain,
Blood stasis.
Blood stasis.
slippery pulse plus chest fullness.
Phlegm.
Yeah.
Gland obstruction.
Okay. Cold extremities, fatigue.
Heart
Cold.
shunt
Cardiac deficiency.
Guasha should not delay.
A medical evaluation.
Which condition requires extreme caution with guasha?
Wasted heart attack.
Magpaalam sa doktor niya. Baka lalong worsens during treatment, the practitioner should
Stop. Media.
Stop.
stop
Immediately.
immediately. PC6 is commonly used alongside guasha for what?
For
Cardiac
cardiac
regulation.
regulation.
Okay, kung may guasha kayo, habang hindi pa kayo inaatake sa puso, using PC6, PC5, PC7, di ba? Oo, so gagawin natin yan. Okay? You can never tell. Research. Actually, dito, no, we had two, pickleball. Ang babata pa nila, namatay sila.
Oh my God.
Lalo ba naman ng
The
5
heart attack.
oras ng pickleball? Puro
Oh,
mga bata pa naman, 40s.
oh my God.
Dalawa na.
Huwag na maglaro na pickleball.
Come on. There's such Imagine mo, kasi ang price kasi 1M. O, di ba? So nag-practice sila 5 hours non-stop. Remember, when you sweat too much,
So, student mo na yan.
di ba? Pati yung blood mo affected.
Yes.
Pagod ka pa, di ba? Okay. So kailangan na sila, aside from buying ang mahal-mahal pa naman nung ano.
Yeah, yung
Yes.
something.
Dapat nag-gugwasya sila before silang Okay. Okay, so here is it increases microcirculation. Ito kasi yung pinaka nakakatakot yung microcirculation. 'Di ba? O biglang natuyo.
Nakatapos.
Ay, at saka uminom sila ng malamig na tubig.
Oh my God.
Ay, lalo na kay
How many of you
sila.
would drink 1 liter of very cold, ice cold water?
I used to do this before.
Never, never do that. Nagko-constrict talaga yung... So you, good luck. Ano kaya ang next? The upper thoracic spinal region treated for CHD commonly spans.
T1 to T7.
Ayusin mo yan. T1 to T7.
Yes.
Fascia for CHD is best considered
Supportive, integrative
lang,
therapy.
integrative. Wow, congratulations. I think almost everyone got a good score. Okay. Oh, we have an audience already. Parang ito lang inaantay nila. Okay.